Have you ever wondered how to keep your hair silky straight and smooth and without frying at 450 degrees? I'm going to show you how this little spray bottle has helped me go from frizzy to smooth. And let me tell you, I'm using this as a regular person, but there are hairstylists that have told me that they use this on all their clients, doesn't matter what type of hair they have, and they all love it because they're getting excellent results from it. It's basically a bodyguard for your hair. So let's do a little quick demo on it. So I'm just using a regular hair straightener, and I have pretty straight hair. It's actually wavy, but when I dry it like this, then it does look straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this on, take the top off, just shake it a little bit, and I just spray it on my hair like this, and I spray it on both sides of the hair. And then I take the wand, or the straightener, and I just go like this on it. Hold it for a second. And then I get a nice little curl on it. And then I do the back and so on, and I go all the way around. And again, I spray it on there. And I'm just going to spray it on the rest of my face here too, or not my face, but my hair around my face. And then I can do the same thing here. So So I'm not worried about it frying my hair. I used to have to keep cutting the ends off my hair to make it look good. So it's a generous 5.7 ounces, which honestly shocked me when it arrived because there's a lot there. I've been using this a long time and it still feels full. So it works on naturally kinky as well as straight styles. You can use it on damp hair or you can use it on dry hair. My hair is dry right now. But this is from L'Oreal Paris. So it's a brand that's been in decades being beautiful hair products. So if you want salon quality sleekness at home without the salon price, this is a must-have in your beauty toolkit. I give it a 10 out of 10. Now I'm just going to quickly do this. It's dried a little bit. I should have left this in a little bit further. Yeah, that's not as good. But this side you can see. So you can see it's still shiny, okay? And it hasn't fried it. So I would recommend that you do it. I should put this on again just to give it a little bit more. There. And I just usually let it cool off like that, and then it's good to go. So once again, I would recommend that you get this product if you're looking for that type of assistance for your hair, a bodyguard for your hair.